Welcome back. Taking a live look at satellite radar this morning as Hurricane Helene continues to barrel toward Florida. Helene is expected to reach a Category 3 by the time it makes landfall later today in Florida. The storm surge is the biggest fear of this storm. It could potentially climb to 20 feet along some parts of the coast.
Next, weather meteorologist Kate Bilo is in our CBS Philadelphia Next Weather Sphere. So what's the situation at this point there, Kate?
Well, Jim and Jan, we are continuing to watch Helene as it moves through the Gulf of Mexico. It is strengthening, but it is expected to undergo a period of rapid strengthening later today, where it's going to basically jump from a Category 1 up to a Category 3. Now, the forecast no longer brings it to Category 4. That is good news, but it is a very, very large storm. So we'll talk more about that in just a moment. I want to start off with our local forecast, and you can see outside this morning, it is kind of another cloudy, gloomy start to the day. Let's go ahead and pull up our map here quickly, because I just want you to know what you're walking out to this morning. And you can see winds across the area are light. They are still coming in out of the east, but switching to a more southerly wind today, and that's going to keep us warmer. Plus the cloud cover. Temperatures this morning close to the 70-degree mark out there. So it is warm, it is sticky, and while we do have some showers this morning, it does not look like it's going to be a washout of a day. We may even see a few breaks of filtered sun later on this afternoon. So let's talk about what to expect as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours. We'll start off with 3 things to know before you go. Today is warm and humid. There are some shower chances today. Now, mainly up across the Lehigh Valley. Most of the rain is going to kind of miss the city to the north and west. Tomorrow, a little bit different. It stays cloudy. Now, there will be a couple of bands of showers that start to move in midday tomorrow, but it's later tomorrow night that we'll start to get those bands of rain from Helene. And the question for us this weekend is what we'll see from Helene this weekend, because the center of that low is going to stay well south and west of us, but it is going to be close enough that it's going to send, again, some clouds and at least some scattered showers into our area for the weekend. So right now, locally, we're looking at a band of rain moving through. This does not have anything to do with Helene. This is kind of that warm front we've been talking about for the past few days. And while this looks pretty robust, most of this stays north of us. So Philadelphia down through Delaware, South Jersey, you may not see much in the way of any rain this morning. A stray shower is possible. Here is Helene, the center of the storm, moving into the eastern Gulf. The water is very warm here. So from now through landfall, which is in about 15 hours or so, we expect this to continue rapidly strengthening, becoming a major hurricane, a Category 3 before landfall later this evening. And that's right in this area. This is called the Big Bend area of Florida because, again, the coastline bends. This is the Appalachia Bay. We're expecting landfall right near Apalachicola, and then the storm will lift pretty quickly up into Georgia. The good news is it's a fast mover, so as it moves inland, it's not expected to stall or bring heavy flooding rain. But the kind of defining factor of Helene, at least to my thinking, is the size of it. It's a very similar track to Idalia last year, but it's a much larger storm. So while, again, landfall and the areas just east of the storm at landfall will be the most impacted, the entire state of Florida could feel those damaging winds, and those will spread inland even towards portions of Georgia and Alabama. And you can see the heavy rain just lifting into Tennessee as we get into tomorrow morning. And then this does start to drift west. That will help us out a little bit, but notice these bands of showers will likely continue to move through our region. On Saturday, we may dry out for a time Sunday, but this remnant low has got to go somewhere, and eventually it exits off the eastern seaboard, bringing us more chances for showers early next week. So as far as rainfall is concerned, the worst of the rain will likely be on the western side of the system as we go through today, and then just spreading up into Georgia, North Carolina, Asheville, looking at over 9 inches of rain from this storm, and you can see it's going to spread toward Paducah, Kentucky, and right over toward Memphis. But look at the scope of the wind field. As this moves through Florida, you could have damaging winds, gale force winds all the way to Charleston, all the way to Atlanta, and of course the worst of the wind right where that makes landfall, where you see that red, that's where those hurricane force winds will be felt. So for our region, here's what to expect. Today, most of the day is dry. It's warm, it's cloudy, it's humid. It's not a nice day, but it's certainly not a washout. We're going to head to the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Best chance for rain comes as we get into tomorrow night, and that's as those bands from Helene start to make their way into our region. Your next 7 days from Next Weather, again, we've got rain moving in by tomorrow night. Saturday, bands of showers, especially in the morning. A little bit of drying Sunday. Notice how cool it is, but then more shower chances early next week.